Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all pins in Pinterest on Android. If you want to delete all your Pinterest pins on Android, you can either delete them one by one or delete entire boards to remove all pins within them. So while Pinterest doesn't have a built-in delete all pins features, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to delete all your pins efficiently. So first, you can just launch the Pinterest apps on your Android device. If you haven't logged in, then you need to log in into your account, and you can just navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner on the screen, this one. And after this, you'll see all your boards displayed here. So if you prefer to delete specific pins, you can open the board containing the pins you want to delete. For example, this one. And then you can just tap and hold a pin until a menu appears. For example, this one. And here you can just select edit pin or delete pin. So you can just click on this pencil icon to go to edit. And now you can see at the bottom there will be this option, delete this pin. And click on that, and here you can, if you are confirmed, you can just tap on delete, and this will delete the pin on the board. But if you want to delete entire boards or to remove all pins in here, you can adjust from your profiles in here. You can just locate the board that you want to delete, and after that, here you can just long press on the board and again click on or swipe through this pencil icon to go to the options to edit the board, and scroll down again and tap on delete. So here you can see you have 7 days to restore a deleted board. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So you can just tap on delete and confirm. So this will delete the board along with all the pins it contains. But if you want to need to delete a large number of pins at once, you can do it on the browser. You can just open Pinterest via a web browser and then use the organize features on a board. Select multiple pins at once and then click on delete to remove them. Important to note that deleting pins or board is permanent and cannot be undone. And if you want to if you plan to reorganize, you can just delete all boards and create fresh ones for new content. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit on the like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tags tutorials. Turn on the notifications, and if you still have question, you can drop a comment below, and also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.